Good day everyone, I'm Janica Salvador and I will discuss the topic 4, which is the nature, purpose, and importance of human relations. What is human relations? We can define human relations as relations with or between people, particularly in a workplace or professional settings. So, sa loob po ng isang organisasyon, ang human relations is importante po. Ito po yung ugnayan natin sa ating kapwa-tao, especially when it comes in our co-workers inside the organizations. And also human relations is an effective motivations of individuals in a given situation in order to achieve a balance of objectives which will yield greater human satisfaction and help accomplish company goals. So, yung human relations natin sa ating mga coworkers, hindi lang dapat yung mayroon tayong ugnayan sa ating kapwa. Dapat mayroon din tayong ugnayan mismo sa ating organizations. So, yun po. Next is, what is nature and human relations? Human relations can be defined as the cordial atmosphere and an organization. So, atmosphere, cordial atmosphere po, in which people practice the art of living in such a way that they communicate, act, interact, and transact in a cordial manner po, recognizing to each other's needs, views, values, and temperaments, so that every interaction and transaction taking place in an organization would have concern for each other's interests and feelings, leading to better motivation and morale of people at all levels in the organization. So, yung nature in human relations po, yung dapat dito is yung atmosphere sa loob ng isang organizations para madali lang para sa atin ang makipag-interact sa mga coworkers natin, madali para sa atin ang makipag-communicate, negotiate inside the organizations. So, yun po. What is the purpose of human relations? So, ano nga ba yung purpose ng human relations? Not only our personal lives, but only in organizations. So, the purpose of human relations is to help individuals in working to more effectively with other people in organizations. So, yun nga po yung purpose ng human relations. Kung wala tayong ugnayan sa ibang tao, paano tayo makikipag-interact with other people inside the organizations? Paano tayo makakapag-progress ng organizations kung wala tayong ugnayan sa bawat isa? So, importance of human relations. Human relations refers to a systematic developing body of knowledge devoted to explaining the behavior of individuals or people in the working organizations on concern. Human relations are an integral process through which the individual's attitudes and work are combined or integrated. So, human relations are an important process through which an individual's attitude and work are integrated with a view to achieving a willing cooperation on their part and the achievement of the interests of an organization as a whole. So, human relations in an organizations are a process of improving motivation by proper working conditions, training programs, timely payment of wages, and incentive. Yung human relations po natin is continuous activity po ito. Mapa-business or non-business, small or large business man po ito. Kailangan andoon pa rin yung human relations natin to each other. So, next is the 3 important essential factors of human relations. So, yung dito po sa people, ito po yung first success factor. Personal and interpersonal effectiveness set of the stage for career success. So, kung wala nga man po tayong personnel sa loob ng isang organisasyon, hindi po magkakaroon ng success ang isang business. Next is process. Ito po yung pagpaprocess ng mga organisasyon na kailangang sundin ng bawat membro para sa isang magandang simula. And the last is technology. Ito yung nakakatulong para ma-modify ang human behavior by creating a gap between people and reducing intimacy. Yan po. And several importance of human relations. The labor market has become a place of churning dislocation caused by the heavy volume of mergers, acquisition, business closing, bankruptcies, downsizing, and outsourcing of jobs in foreign countries. Changing work patterns create new opportunities and new challenges. So, yan. Organizations are increasingly oriented towards service to clients, patients, and customers. Next is workplace incivility is increasingly a threat to the employees' relationships. Pag sinabi nating incivility, ito po yung sinasabing kawalang galang. Kumbaga, ito yung sinasabi nilang threat sa relationship natin sa iba. Yung kawalang galang. So, last is many companies are organizing their workers into teams in which each employee plays a part. So, yun po. Yung pag-aaral po ng human relations in business and industry po, ito po yung kung paano ang mga tao nagkakaroon ng effectively in groups in order to satisfy both organizational goals and personal needs. In other words, it is the medium through which both employees and organization mutually cooperate for the maximum satisfaction of the economic, social, and psychological wants of all people having relations with an organization which has the objective of increasing productivity. Yung pagkakaroon natin ng human relations sa bawat isa ay pinaka-importanting bagay para sa atin. Ito yung hindi lang para sa pansarili kundi para sa iba. Kasi kung wala tayong human relations, lahat tayo hindi magkakaintindihan, hindi magkakaroon ng bigayan, hindi tayo magkakaroon ng unawaan sa bawat isa. So, importante po talaga yung human relations para sa ating lahat. So, yun po. Thank you, and this is my topic about relationships. Thank you.